Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk to you briefly about the 100 rule, or the rule of 100. So there's two versions that I'm going to talk about. The first one is the most widely known. It's been around for years, and it is the idea of if you spend 100 minutes in a year, so that's roughly 18 minutes per day, doing the same thing, you will be 95% better than anyone in that discipline, anyone in the world. So it could be 100 minutes practicing karate, 100 minutes practicing a guitar, playing a piano. For us, 100 minutes editing reels. You will be the master of it after 100 hours of doing that, so 18 minutes per day. Alex Hormozi, if you don't know who he is, look him up. He's fantastic. He has tons of books, super smart. He's an online influencer in a way, but he's very much a businessman. But he has a different version of this. His is I think he does call it the rule of 100. And he said if you spend every day, you do something 100 times. So if you did that 100 times every day, whether it be broadcast to 100 people on your emails, $100 a day on ad spend, 100 promos, like 100 videos every day, 7-second videos. If you did that every day, you'd easily get to 100K in your business. And the reason it's so effective is because people have such a hard time being consistent. And this creates a discipline within you. It creates a consistency. You learn how to show up and do this every day. And there's no doubt that you won't get to where your goals are. There's just so much truth behind this. And what I want you to do, I want you to challenge yourself. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I will lead by example, but I would like you to also do it. And it's going to be very important. It's going to be super cool. For me, I'm not going to do Alex's method. I don't have something I would commit to 100 a day. I certainly would not spend $100 on ad spend, since I don't spend I don't spend any money on ads right now. But so for 100 minutes this year, so it's 18 minutes a day, I'm going to commit to something. And I'm holding my paper up because I need to brainstorm this. I'm not going to just say something right now. So I would like you, when we get off this video, I want you to just do the same thing. So write down some ideas right now. 18 minutes per day is all you have to give it. Let me give you an example of what I've done before. So really quick. So I'm going to write it down. I'm going to brainstorm this. I'll probably sit on it for 24 hours and kind of just really run this through my head, narrow it down, and that's why I want to give it 24 hours, because I want to make sure it's something I could really commit to, and I don't want to just say it. And then after you get it written down, come into our community and tell us what it is. I dare you. I dare you to put it out there. When you put it out there like that, the chances of you succeeding just increased, probably double, because now you just committed to it out loud. And that's a big deal. So brainstorm it, get all your thoughts together on it, and put it in our chat. I can't wait to hear what you guys have. Okay, so let me tell you an example of how effective this is. And I didn't even know about the 100 rule when I did this. In 2020, I got way off track from my affiliate marketing journey, and I started a TikTok channel on health and fitness, like keto. I love coming up with new recipes. I am very creative in the kitchen, and I was doing keto at that time. I didn't want it fully just to be keto recipes. I wanted to also make sure I was getting some physical activity, and I felt like if I was putting this stuff on TikTok, that it was going to hold me accountable. So every day I did create some kind of video, whether it was a recipe or it was me out going for a walk, and I was posting that. And most of the people I was attracting, really, it was for the recipes. They did way better than my walking videos did. So one day I was walking, and I was just really disappointed that I couldn't consistently go out and walk. Like, it was just such a big deal for me to get my ass out there and walk every day. And I was going to commit to 100 days. Remember, I said I'd never even heard of the 100 rule. I was going to commit to 100 days of walking every day. So I shot a video. I threw in some different angles of me walking, try and make it interesting. Transitions in videos are huge. So remember that. Transition in your video, it keeps like triggering people's brains. We'll talk about that in another video. So I posted this video and I just put on there, I'm challenging myself to walking 100 days starting today. Here's the rules. And I tried to make the rules so simple, like just super basic, something that I could meet every day and not fail. So I posted this video around like 2 or 3 o'clock, and I picked up my phone and I saw these notifications saying you had messages, you had comments, like all this stuff from TikTok. I'm like, okay. And I jumped in there, and at the bottom of TikTok, it had the little red numbers saying like I had 99 plus comments, 99 plus messages, 99 plus likes, shares, like everything. And I'm like, whose account am I looking at? Did I click on something wrong? I had no idea it was me. And so once I finally realized it, of course, I was smiling ear to ear. I had never gone viral or anything. I never even thought it was going to take off. And so I finally realized it was me. I'm like, oh my God, my account went from like 1,200 followers, I think, to 24,000 followers. And I had a crazy amount of people messaging me and commenting on the video and sharing the video. And the reason was, yeah, there were some people that were cheering me on and they were excited for me and they wanted me to, succeed. But most of the comments were from people who wanted to join me in the challenge. They were so excited about the possibility of meeting 100 days walking. And I truly believe I changed lives that year. In those 100 days, I had people so excited every day to do their walk and to tell me that they made their walk that day. And I built like this whole community around it. And it was so cool. And people were walking past 100 days. And now they're actually, like incorporating some other form of physical fitness into their lives. And it was a very, very cool process. And it was the 100 days. And it was the realistic expectation that I set for myself. Like an achievable goal. So you don't want to make yours so easy that, you're not challenging yourself, but I do want you to make it something that's achievable, because when you fail at something, it makes you feel bad about yourself, and you don't want to feel bad. We are here to feel good, and when you feel good, you do better things constantly. You're going to improve, you're going to improve, you're going to improve. So that's my challenge for you, to write it down, make it realistic, and then tell us in the community chat what you're going to do, okay? I will see you guys in the next video.